In this video, I'll show you how to make a copy using your Epson EcoTank ET-2800 like mine, but also with many other models that are looking just the same. So let's get started. First of all, you need to open the scan lid that is above here. And now I already have a paper over here. You need to place it facing down with the top part of your document on the right side. So like this. And then you'll notice over here on the right side there is an arrow. You simply need to glide your paper so the corner touches the corner of the scanner like this, and then you can release it and close the scan lid. Now the second step is to make sure that you have some paper loaded in the back of your printer here. So go ahead and insert the paper. Oops, I need also to pull out this gray piece over here to support the paper. Okay, perfect. Every time you put some paper inside of your Epson EcoTank printer, you're gonna get this message just to confirm that the printer knows what type of paper you have inserted. So in my case, it's perfect. It's A4 and it's a plain paper. So I'll just press OK to confirm. If not, just go under change and input the right size and type of paper. Then on this screen, you should see copy. If you do not see it, simply use these navigation arrow on each side until you select copy, then press OK. And you'll have multiple options. First of all, the numbers of copy. Let's say you want 5 of them. You can input here using the up and down arrow, the number of copies you want. And using the side arrows, left and right, you can choose between color and black and white. If you want to have more settings than what you see on the screen, press the OK button. And here you have to confirm the size of the paper you're trying to make a copy of. So it's an A4 and it's plain paper in my case. Go down using the down arrow. You can choose density here. Go down again. You'll be able to edit the size of the paper. If you want your copy to be enlarged, let's say you want to focus on some details, I prefer just choosing actual size. It will just make an exact copy without modifying anything. If not, using the side arrows, you can choose different things like a certain percentage. I'll just leave it to actual size like most people will. Custom size, you see here, you can select if you want to zoom in or zoom out. Then go down. Original size here, you need to input the size of the paper that is right here on the scan bed. In my case, it's an A4 paper, so using these arrows, I can select A4, so the scanner knows the size. Then by going down, then over here we have single page. This is just one page I'm trying to make a copy, so I'll leave it like this. Quality, you have different quality modes. Here we have standard by default, but if we choose the right side arrow, you can change to high, draft. This is the lowest quality available. In my case, I'll just leave it to standard. You're gonna have to choose if what you're trying to make a copy of is an ID card. In my case, it's not, but if it's an ID card, the scanner will not scan the whole scan bed. It will just scan where your ID card is, and it will crop it in a way. In my case, I'll leave it to off. If I press again on the down arrow, borderless copy. Again, this is up to you to choose depending what you're trying to make a copy, and then you'll come back to density. To exit this menu, press the back button here, and when you're ready to make a copy, extend this small plastic flap here and press the copy button, which is this one over here, to confirm. Wait about a few seconds, and here we go. It's already copying. So this is our original that was over here, and this is the copy that just got produced. Very similar. If you need to get more ink for your Epson EcoTank printer, please check the Amazon links in the description. This is the best way to support my channel, and I'll see you in the next video.